Welcome to another showing of The Cocktail Enthusiast with myself, The Cocktail Enthusiast. It's been quite some time since my last sparkling cocktail and I feel like it's long overdue to pop open another bottle and get you guys another sparkling cocktail. Today we're looking at how to make an orange Bellini. Let's go. And always remember, if you like what you're about to see, hit that like button, click that subscribe button so I can continue to give you, the viewer, that entertaining juice, that flavor, that good. Oh yeah. Now let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want sparkling wine of your choice, peach puree, orange liqueur, and today's glass of choice, a flute. So for the puree that I'm using, you want to fill a blender with yellow peach slices, and then you're going to pour in lemon juice just to the top of those peaches, and then add in a few spoonfuls of sugar. However much sugar you want, however sweet you want this puree, you can go to a diabetes level, you can go to a minimal level, whatever floats your boat, run wild. First, you want to grab a chilled flute out the freezer. After this, you're going to pour in 2 ounces of your peach puree. After this, you're going to follow up with a 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. Next, you want to top off with your sparkling wine.
It's all coming together.
Hey, you know exactly what to do. Click that damn button.
Look at this dude.
Next, you want to stir all the mix together, but let's try doing a downward motion since this cocktail is carbonated. And you want to be very careful with it.
Yeah, boy.
Lastly, for our garnish, we're going to keep it simple and just throw on a single peach slice. And now, it's time for the taste rating. All right, I'm just gonna cheat real quick and pull the garnish out and give her a quick sip before I taste the garnish. Sweet Jesus. Sweet Lord. Ooh. This is trouble. This is trouble, dear Lord. Whew. I forgot it's sparkling wine, so the carbonation is really bloating me real quick. I feel like a helium balloon about to pop. Hold on, let's taste this garnish. Ironically, I've never had a Bellini by itself. I wanted to go with something a little different, mainly because I didn't have white peaches on stock. So I said, you know what, if I'm gonna use a yellow peach, I may as well add a little extra flavor. Throw in some orange liqueur, switch it from a normal Bellini, make it an orange Bellini because it looks like orange juice pretty much. So that's where the whole orange motif came from. I don't regret it. The taste is phenomenal, explosive on the palate, refreshing. And that sparkling wine, man, dear God, you forget the sparkling wine is in there. It almost, depending on the ratio in which you pour, this can come off as juice, which is both fantastic and terrifying at the same time because this will have me floored. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. It's simple to make. There's only 3 ingredients. You get a little puree going, throw in your sparkling wine, your orange liqueur, and you have this package of flavor, refreshing goodness that will revitalize you and it'll put you down depending on how hard you drink. And let me tell you, man, this would put you down. I could feel it already. I could chug this cocktail, but I won't do that because I do want to wake up tomorrow. I feel like we all want to wake up tomorrow and the day after, so it's probably best to never chug an entire sparkling wine cocktail. Always be sure to remember to drink responsibly and do not dare drink and drive. But that said, don't take my word for it. You take that sip and love life. So you can expect to see my next video next week as always, but until then, sink your teeth into this one. Let me know if you like it or let me know if you don't because I can take both ends of the spectrum. And always remember, I'm not a bartender or a specialist, I'm just a cocktail enthusiast making some good ass cocktails and having a good ass time. Actually, I did the clip too early. Fuck. Whatever, man, honestly, I can do the clip whenever I want to do it. I'll see you guys for that next cocktail next week. Until then, I'll see what I can do to, I was supposed to give you a short last week, but I failed on that because I was feeling super lazy, so I ended up not doing the short. That said, I will definitely be giving you something in the interim before the next cocktail just to hold you over. I hope you look forward to seeing whatever I come up with, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, night, weekend, holiday, whatever it is. See you for the next cocktail. And subscribe.